Hi, my name is Burak. I'm gonna show you how to make great carbonara sauce with my way. With this sauce, you are gonna impress your friends and families anytime you make it. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe us and turn all notifications on. I'm pretty sure you heard about it before, but I'm gonna make it very rich with white wine sauce. So the pasta's ready and water is boiling. We're gonna start with cooking the pasta first, and then we are gonna arrange whole sauce. Before we start, we're gonna put some salt and pastas goes in. I'm gonna boil it until the al dente point, and it's gonna take only 12 minutes. We're gonna stir it just a little bit, and then we're gonna keep it as it is to the boiling point. Now I'm gonna take the boiling pasta into my kitchen to boil it there, and we are gonna use this stove for making sauce. Now I'm back to balcony, and we are starting making carbonara sauce. I'm preparing this meal for one person, for myself, so we're gonna have very small amount of pasta and sauce. This pan is more than enough for one person. So I'm gonna dice the bacons so all fat is stripped. Look at this beautiful, very beautiful bacons, all fat and meat. You can easily see how fresh is that. So I'm gonna start with dicing bacons. This is gonna be enough for one person. Put it on the side on the cutting board. Now, as usual, olive oil first. It's gonna go into the pan. Make sure pan is ready and hot. Now, we start with bacon. We're gonna have very crispy bacons. Make sure give a good stir and have very crispy bacons and don't burn them. By the way, I'm gonna cut just a small amount of onions, and onions goes in. And garlic. This is the garlic I'm going to show you for only flavor and taste. So it goes in with the meal. We are not going to keep it inside of the sauce. I'm going to take it out. Then I believe it needs to come out. While I'm cooking the sauce, I'm arranging a little white wine. Have a little bit taste. Beautiful, great Chardonnay. Smell is beautiful. We're gonna wait until it gets really crispy. I'm gonna slide the mushrooms for preparation sauce. As you see, it's getting crispy. Okay, now garlic needs to touch any part of the pan to give great taste and smell. Mushrooms goes in. They are the champion mushrooms. It's a pretty good mushrooms. As you see, all bacons, onions, mushrooms, and garlic all together cooked very well. Still, I'm keeping the garlic in. What am I going to do now? I'm going to put the heat very low level and transfer the butter inside. Again, let the butter melt. I'm taking the garlic out. We are finished with the garlic. As you see, it's very crispy. This is what I want. Beautiful. Next thing, I'm gonna arrange other half of the sauce, which is another 50%. Cream, eggs, and Parmesan cheese. We'll get the egg yolks. If you use this method, you can get the egg yolks easily out from the whites. Eggs, just a little bit cream. Last thing is Parmesan cheese. I think that much is more than enough, and give good mix. Pasta is cooked to the al dente point, and it goes straight into the pan with the bacons and mushrooms. We're gonna give mix. As you see, all ingredients combined together. I'm gonna put about pinch amount pasta flakes and just small amount basil leaves. Looks so good. Himalayan salt and black peppercorns. Now, time to put creamy egg and Parmesan cheese mixture into the pasta. I got only 2 minutes to go. In low heat, beautiful sauce is ready. I turn off the stove. Yeah, some greens on top of the pasta. Beautiful. Now we're gonna transfer the dish to the plate. Food is ready now. So I'm gonna show you with a little bit more Parmesan on top of it. And it's gonna go with the white wine Chardonnay. Great.